Hi everybody, Christy here. Today we're going to be making a soothing salve. This recipe comes directly from the doTERRA blog, and it looks a bit intimidating, but it's really not. If I can make this, anyone can make it. What we do is we mix together some ingredients and we melt them down into a liquid. We use half a cup of grapeseed oil, half a cup of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of beeswax, and half a tablespoon of vitamin E. I got the ingredients here. You can just get them from your grocery store. The beeswax comes in little pellets here. You can get that at one of your natural grocers around town, as well as the vitamin E oils. But what we do is we make a double boiler, and how I did that quite simply is I took a mason jar and I put all my ingredients in it, and I put it in a pot of water and put it on the stove and boiled it. Turned it into a liquid, as you see here, and I used my little bamboo utensils to stir it. Then it calls for 5 drops each of lavender, cypress, eucalyptus, melaleuca, and frankincense. These oils are all very calming and soothing and cleansing oils. You can use any oils in this salve base. You can use melaleuca and lavender and make a nice little diaper cream. You can use all these oils as a cream for soothing your skin after you get a tattoo. They're just very nice to use. 5 drops of each is what it calls for. Again, eucalyptus and frankincense, which is a beautiful oil in itself. It reduces the appearance of skin imperfections, and it supports healthy cellular response. It's the king of all oils, has been used for centuries for skin issues. Lavender, it's your little Swiss Army knife of oils and is wonderful for the skin. And it smells so good. This salve also is quite calming emotionally with all of the oils being used, as well as helping you with any burns or cuts or skin issues you might have. You just add the oils in there, stir them around, and I have just little glass containers that I'm going to pour it into, and as it cools, it will solidify and be ready for you to use. So I hope you find this very helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.